definition. I had a bit of a problem with this debate with the use of the word serendipitous. Okay, what exactly, how did that, I was kind of wondering how that actually slotted into the topic.
We were trying to explain that by daydreaming these ideas, very some different ideas could come to you, and by doing so, by the first teenagers to daydream, these are more frequently going to become a thing.
If you're going to use a word like serendipitous or serendipity, keep the explanation of it really simple to the point. I couldn't quite go on. And that then raised the problem with the negative team. For me, when they said, we're now going to modify the definition, the problem with that is that it's then almost becoming a definitional debate. So the affirmative team's got their definition, they're going to argue along that line, and you're saying, no, we don't like that, we've got our definition, and we're going to argue along that line. So it's not really engaging, okay? So try not to modify the definition because it can become very confusing as to what's going on. Thing I always say is if your definition is similar or very close to the affirmative team, then the negative team, rather than saying, no, we're changing the definition, this is what we mean by it, you should just say, yes, we agree with your definition. Okay? Because like I said, it was basically coming across, they're doing their thing on the affirmative side, and you're doing your thing over here on the negative side, and there's no kind of meeting in the middle. So be really careful about the definition. What else? The other thing was with the microphone. I really wish we weren't doing this with microphones because pristine. I thought we were going to eat that thing. Okay? And there were times that I was thinking, what is she saying? I can't understand because you're talking into a like that. What we were saying is becoming lost, so just be careful with the microphone, okay? Stand back from the microphone. Yes, so then my comments for the day.
Thank you for this very useful and constructive feedback. We will now have a 5-minute break. The next day will start at 11:50 a.m.